Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 20, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. You need to start by opening device's settings. Now click on display after scrolling down. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on Easy Mode. Lastly, tap on this switcher at the top in order to activate it. Then tap on Got It. As you can see, Simple Mode is now on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, go into Settings again. Then click on Display, scroll down, choose Easy Mode and tap on the same, now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!